Okay, let's start. Close your eyes. So, this is the relationship healing with your children through Ho'oponopono. If you want to heal any other person, you just imagine replacing their word children with the person you want to heal. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, inhale and exhale. Again, close your eyes. Keep your eyes closed. Take a deep breath, inhale and exhale. One more time, inhale and exhale. Allow yourself to completely relax. Let go of all the tension, heaviness from your body. Inhale and exhale. As you exhale, just let go of all the tension and heaviness from your body. As you do that, open your heart to healing and love. Now bring into your awareness your children or any other person you are looking to heal. Think about all the emotions, all the experiences that arise when you reflect on. Bring the faces of your children in front of you. Reflect your role as a friend or parent or caregiver. Bring into awareness all the situations, experiences of life. It can be positive, negative, natural, any kind of experiences that you have shared between both of you. There may be the feeling of pride, joy, happiness, or there may be the feeling of frustration, guilt, anger, worry. Whatever it is, just allow all these emotions and be aware of all these emotions. Let it come to the surface without any judgment. Simply observe them as the part of life's journey. Take a deep breath and exhale. As you exhale, just release all this tension, all these emotions. Just release it completely without any judgment. Allow it to flow freely, and you are safe and in a supportive environment. Now look at the eyes of your children or whomsoever you are healing. Bring the faces in front of you and repeat to yourself, I take and acknowledge full responsibility of all the energy, emotions, feelings that has existed between us. While you may not be responsible for each and everything, but you acknowledge your role into that experience. You acknowledge your actions, the emotions, the energy in all those situations. You repeat slowly to yourself, I take full responsibility for all my feelings and actions in this situation, and I release all the blame, all the anger, all the worry, and I choose healing for myself and my children. Feel the weight of worry, blame, guilt. Just release from your heart as you take ownership of all the emotions all the feelings, all the actions between your relationship. Now just imagine the faces of your children when they were younger, their innocence, sweep in all the emotions that have arisen when they were younger. Feeling of love, bond that existed between you. And slowly, as they grew older, any actions which made you distant towards them, any emotions that have made you distant towards them. When you bring into your awareness this situation, repeat to yourself, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I am sorry for any pain, any misunderstandings, any hurt that I may have caused to you, knowingly or unknowingly in our relationship. There may be times when I have been over caring, when I have been over worried, which made me frustrated or angered. There may be times when you have not listened to me, which made me angry or frustrated. There may be times when I have felt helplessness because I have not been able to help you in any of your situations, due to which I felt anger upon myself. There may be times when I have made you sad because of my actions. There may be times when I have hurt you because of the words I have said to you. And I have also felt the hurt because of the words you have told to me. I take all the responsibility and the role I have played in each of these situations, and I release all the guilt, blame, resentment, sadness, anger, worry. Inhale slowly and exhale, and as you exhale, you release all these energies. And as you do it, you can see the smiling faces of your children as they can feel the forgiveness. One more time, inhale and exhale. And as you exhale, just push away all these emotions that have existed between you. Now repeat after me. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. There may be times when I have neglected your feelings, when I have ignored your needs and wants. There may be times when I have ignored you or not listened to you. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Thank you for the joy and laughter you have brought into my life. Thank you for the love that you have brought into my life. And I love you deeply and unconditionally. 5 times. Now repeat the phrases. And as you do it, you can see the smiling faces as any charge that exists between you is completely getting released. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Smile back. Look into the eyes and smile back. Now imagine a warm healing light, soft white in color, is surrounding both of you. There is a big ball of white light and it is surrounding both of you, representing love, understanding, and peace. Just visualize this light is flowing through both of you, and as you do it, all the tension, hurt, feeling of guilt, feeling of worry, feeling of anger, frustration, helplessness, whatever be the emotions, just allow this light to dissolve it completely, leaving only the feeling of love, understanding, care. Just allow the feeling of all the anger, frustration, hatred, tension, pain, hurt, guilt to slowly dissolve. If there is any specific memories which is coming up, just allow this healing light to go to that memory as it is resolving the conflict that has arisen at that point of time, and slowly leaving only the feeling of love and understanding and care. Now look into the eyes of your children and say, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. As you do this, you can see the feeling, the energy of happiness sweep into them as well as yourself. Say, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. As you continue to repeat these phrases, you will see that the smile is getting brighter and brighter without any feeling of anger and hurt. There is only a feeling of love that exists between you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Inhale slowly and exhale, and slowly release the image of your children or any other person whom you have imagined in front of you. Just release those images. This healing light is still there. It will continue to heal even after this session. Keep your heart open to this healing. Take a deep breath and exhale. And as you exhale, feel a deep sense of love, peace, and gratitude. One more time, inhale and exhale. Now place your hand on your heart for all the courage that you had to heal this relationship. Acknowledge the love, acknowledge the care that you have, and the courage to heal everything that exists between you. And say thank you to yourself. Now be aware of your surroundings. Be aware of your body. Be aware of the sound. Be aware of your body with the feeling of joy, happiness, love, and gratitude. Smile and open your eyes gently.